Hey everybody, welcome back to Math with Marcus. Here is problem number 2-7 from the 6th grade textbook. That's course 1, the red one. And it's saying, Elizabeth wants to challenge you to a toothpicks and tiles game. Do you remember it from lesson 1.1.2? Using exactly 6 tiles, solve her challenge below. Justify your answer with pictures and labels. So find a pattern where the number of toothpicks is more than double the number of tiles. So, I wanted to find a way to lay out my tiles where every tile had at least 2 toothpicks that went around with it, because that would double it. So if every tile had 2 toothpicks, that would double it. And then I figured if I had the ending toothpicks, or the ending tiles, if I needed 3 toothpicks for the ends here, for the last tiles here, then that would give me more than double. So do you see how every tile that I had required at least 2 toothpicks? So my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiles, the red represented the doubling. So that's 12 toothpicks there, and then 13, 14 on the ends. So that's one way to solve the first riddle, the first puzzle. And then the second one is how to get exactly 4 more. So the way I thought about that was to say, okay, well, I want every tile to have at least 1. So here we go with 1 tile, 1 toothpick. 1 tile, 1 toothpick. 1 tile, 1 toothpick. And then down here, 1 tile, 1 toothpick. 1 tile, 1 toothpick. 1 tile, 1 toothpick. So I have 6 there for my 6 tiles. And then the 4 more are going to be on the ends here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 and then 4 more is going to be 10. 10 is my total number of toothpicks, also known as the perimeter, which is 4 more than 6. All right, there you go. Thanks for stopping by.